Squint makes it easy to build your workforce by transforming your entire team into experts by capturing workflows and processes in minutes. Here's how Squint delivers. To start, trainers easily capture their expert knowledge by simply filming any procedure. Squint then automatically generates a procedure and makes it available for approval. With AI-generated quizzes, Squint reinforces learning, building expertise across your team. Once it's ready, the trainer can assign the procedure and quiz to any employee, enabling your workforce to grow with confidence. Your equipment manuals and other critical operation documents, once uploaded into the library, allow workers to get immediate access to pertinent process or machine information at the right time. During training, Squint guides each trainee through the procedure using detailed media. Features like AI step verification ensure steps are performed correctly and help clarify complex instructions. After completion, trainers can review both procedure execution and quiz results within Squint, helping them identify knowledge gaps and improve training effectiveness. With Squint, you're not just training individuals, you're building a more capable, flexible workforce that grows stronger every day.